Hi, this video is to inform you about the online workshop for XAT. So I've scored 2 times rank 1 in XAT, so fairly comfortable with the XAT exam and how to go about cracking the exam. So the whole workshop is focused on knowing that understand the basics, but how to crack the exam. Understand CAT and XAT are a little different because XAT has a decision making section which is completely different from CAT. So yes, there will be emphasis on DM section as to how to go about cracking it. Plus, yes, we will touch upon quant and a verbal section as well. So there will be 10 sessions of 1.5 hours each, and you have extra practice sessions. Help you practice with the questions. So there will be sessions on quant, DM, verbal. Focus will be on approaches and shortcuts, how to solve things faster, how to approach the questions, and what is strategy for writing a XAT paper. So I will be conducting a session along with Rochelle ma'am. So we will be trying to help you with regards to how to ace the exam. Fees for the course is 1,500, including the DM videos. You can also purchase XAT mock separately. You can go to the purchase page at prep.patrick100.com, or you can contact us on this number 9821314788. Thank you.